Oh, it's bright.
Go.
Hi, my name is John, and I have a confession to make. And honestly, I have never heard of Shirley Biscuits before. I don't know whether this is like a certain staple food that I'm supposed to be aware of, but
it's Jamaican.
I've never heard of it.
You call it poor people food. It's
I
not.
never said poor people food.
Yeah, you did.
I'm not gonna say it on the
camera.
camera.
Alright, so John's gonna try Shirley Biscuits.
It's for the first time.
Show it. They're good with
Shirley
cheese
Biscuits for the first time.
As a Jamaican.
As a Jamaican. Where is this thing from anyways? It's probably
I don't know,
but
it's a Jamaican thing. You have to give us your honest opinion.
On Shirley Biscuits? Poor people food?
They're not. Sorry, we can't all be from Norbrook.
No, but I'm poor right now.
I'm sorry, we can't all be from Norbrook.
No, I wish I was back in Norbrook.
I used to buy these for boarding school back in Jamaica and bring them with me. Try it. Just take a bite, babe. You don't like it?
I do.
See?
Oh, look at the camera. Shirley Biscuits taste nice.
See?
It would be nice with some milk.
Yeah, milk. Or cheese. I used to put cheese on them back in Hampton.
No, dipping this in milk. Dipping this in milk would be good.
Now you regret not
maybe
eating
a nice
the Shirley Biscuits?
Noir as well.
Maybe.
I've just never heard of Shirley Biscuits before.
You never heard of Apple J before too when they got you.
Never heard of Apple J. Yeah. Never heard of Apple J. Never heard of Shirley Biscuits. If you never heard of Shirley Biscuits, leave a comment below so that let her know that I'm not the only person that never heard of Shirley Biscuits before. Oh, and when you leave the comment, put where in Jamaica you're from.
Put if you're uptown.
Uptown or downtown.
Or if you're from regular poor people country flex like me.
What is it made of? Where is it from? I'm really curious to see where is it from.
I don't know. It's just really tasty. It's they have them in Jamaica. Before though, this part used to be clear, like you could see inside the package.
Oh my God! I feel so bad now.
Why?
Distributed in Jamaica by Jamaica Biscuit Company Limited, 206 Spanish Town Road, Kingston 11. Oh God! I'm like to support my people. Oh no, made by Barbados. Well, it's still a West Indian company, so it don't matter.
See?
So it don't matter.
You people used to import potato chips and eat it at home.
Pringles.
You used to have water crackers at home?
I mean, I saw it in the cupboard, but I never really ate it. Yeah, I like Excelsior water crackers. I eat it every day.
Go ahead. Stop trying to recover.
I mean, let's say they want some sponsorship or something.
Alright, so let's give us our closing review on Shirley Biscuits.
I'll give Shirley Biscuits easily an 8 out of 10. Possibly a 10 if I had some milk with me. And that light is really bright.
How about the Apple J?
Well, we need to buy some more for me to remember what it tastes like. My attention span doesn't last that long, you know that. I've even forgot that I tried Apple J.
Alright,
I think it tasted good.
Now John knows Shirley Biscuit and Apple J.
Sasha,
you ever have Ting?
This is Ting. Oh, everybody knows Ting. Come here. Not everybody knows. This is our doggy, Sasha. Sasha. Oh no, you want to try a Shirley Biscuit? Can you eat a Shirley Biscuit?
No, he can't eat a Shirley Biscuit.
Don't
give the dog a Shirley Biscuit.
Alright, okay, I won't give the dog a Shirley Biscuit.